Hi everyone, welcome back to Craft and Cuisine. In previous video, I have uploaded Diwali decoration ideas with DIYs. In this video, I am going to show you 2 DIYs. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Firstly, I have taken a white plastic tray and painted white gesso on it. You can also use white acrylic if you don't have a gesso. Gesso is available at Itsy Bitsy store or you can buy from online. Actually, I took this decoupage sheet from printer. Use hands to tear decoupage sheet and do not use scissors. I have used Deco Magic glue which will get from Itsy Bitsy or from online. Spread the glue all over the tray and paste the decoupage sheet without any bumps and lumps. So now tap green acrylic paint with the help of dabber brush. I don't have a dabber brush, so I am using this sponge. You can also use a paint brush if it is stroke free. Allow it to dry. Use chalk paint by repeating the same process. I have used acrylic paint before because to make a blend with decoupage sheet. Highlight at the corners by using watercolors. Finally, apply varnish on it. Varnish is applied to protect it from dust, dirt or smoke, and it also gives a bright and shiny look. And the next one I am going to show you is mud lamp painting. I have painted this mud lamp for this Diwali. Similar type of mud lamp was uploaded in previous video. I have used glitter paints to color this mud lamp. It is a glitter outliner used to highlight the thing.